Have you ever woken up with a really bad cough? Well, my daughter sure has. Here, honey, have some Maddie's Quiet Relief.
Wow, she has such a bad cough. She should use Matys Quiet Relief Cough Syrup.
She has such a bad cough. She should use Maddie's Quiet Relief Cough Syrup. Hi, we're here with Elmo, and he thinks it's 100% natural, great taste, and great for kids.
Hey!
Hi.
Hey!
Hi. If you're looking for a quiet relief for a terrible cough, why, you should try Maddie's Quiet Relief Cough Syrup, founded by an entrepreneur right here in Rochester, New York, Mrs. Harrington.
A homemade recipe. Mom's totally approved. You can find it in your everyday store.
This is a really good product, only $5.